Introducing multi-sensor flagship payload, the DJI Zenmuse H30T.
Hello everyone, I'm Mohammad Shiryar, DJI Enterprise Solution Engineer at RC Corner. From inspection, emergency response and firefighting, we are always been committed meeting complex operational needs day or night. Today, we are introducing our multi-sensor flagship payload, the DJI Zenmuse H30T. Integrated with 5 modules, the zoom camera 40 megapixel, infrared thermal sensor, laser rangefinder 48 megapixel wide angle camera, and near infrared auxiliary light can handle complex variety of tasks. H30T provides unprecedented convenience in wildlife conservation. Infrared thermal camera resolution is 4 times of its predecessor, delivering enhanced object recognition with 34 times of optical zoom and 400 times of digital zoom, having long range of animal monitoring. Having 3 times increase in temperature, reaching up to 1600 degrees Celsius. H30T also supports laser range finding up to 3000 meters for long range precise positioning. For emergency rescue operation, to ensure that critical information is not being lost, H30T features up to 30 seconds of pre-recording. H30T low light sensing capabilities are outstanding. It supports full color night vision, black and white vision, and near infrared auxiliary light. H30T features advanced stabilization algorithm for steady telephoto imagery. Also, H30T is IP54 for dust and water resistant. H30T also have smart features like electronic dehazing, enhanced image clarity, smart capture, data privacy and confidentiality. In the next video, we will show you how to collect data with this sensor, process it and generate the outputs. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.